Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the AMORDEGRC function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function looks a little bit complicated because it has a lot of variables, but I'll try to explain it as simply as possible. So what exactly does this function do? So it's pretty simple. It will return the depreciation for each accounting period for a certain asset, or in this case, it's going to be a piece of equipment. So if you purchase it in the middle of an accounting period, it will return the depreciation value. So how exactly does this work? So we will need a few variables to be able to run this function. So we'll need the cost of the equipment, the purchase date, the end of the first period, the salvage value that we have right here, the period, so in this case it's going to be just one, and the depreciation rate at the end. So please take note that the basis is not mandatory, it's optional. So for this function the basis is optional, so we'll leave it at 0. All right, so let's run our little function. So to be able to do that, it's pretty simple. We'll start down with an equal sign, and we are going to write down AMORDEGRC. And here we can open up our parentheses. So first thing, we need the cost of our equipment at purchase. So in this case, the cost of the equipment will be $205,000. So here we go. Once we have it, the second element that we need will be the purchase date. So it's going to be the 1st February 2020. Then the end of the first period, it's going to be the 31st March 2020. Then after that, we will need the salvage value of our a piece of equipment. It's going to be $100,000. Then after that, the period, so it's going to be 1. And finally, the amortization, depreciation rate, sorry, is going to be 10%, which is right here. Once again, the basis is optional, so we'll just enter, we can enter 0, or we can just select our 0 right here. And once it's all done, what we can do is just run our function, and we know that our, the answer for our function right here will be $49,115 of depreciation for the first period for our piece of equipment. So this is how we can run the AMORDEGRC function inside of Microsoft Excel. So once again, if you have liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.